So what's up motivants, welcome back to our channel once again. So today we are at a special place recommended by Prabhakar. I don't know about these dishes and all, so he's the one who said me about these tacos and all. He's here.
What's up everybody, welcome back to another exciting video. We are at Taco Street, it's in Tipsandra.
New Tipsandra or Indranagar?
Yeah, you can even say that.
I know it's a pretty noisy over there. Why? Because the crowd is too much here because of today's Saturday?
Today is Friday.
Sorry, Friday and weekend actually.
It's a weekend anyways, it's Friday.
So
night,
for that, this noise, please excuse us for that.
Okay, so let me explain. Turn the volume up so that you can hear me.
This guy, I'll give the subtitles. Don't worry.
Okay, man.
You tell me, I'll tell them.
So, Dynamite Taco.
Dynamite tacos.
Chili cheese taco.
Chili cheese tacos.
Peri peri chicken.
Peri peri chicken.
Those are chicken strips you can mix
Okay.
for sides, okay. Starters. And we have a mind cooler. It's a drink. It's a blue
This
drink.
will order that.
Yeah, and he ordered.
Baby, I love you.
Okay,
That's a drink actually here.
It's a very funny
name.
Yeah, so we're waiting for the food here.
Let's see. Before that, you just check out the ambience.
and all.
There are dishes. I don't know the names of this. Prabhakar, do you know?
I guess this is the dynamite.
Ah.
This must be chili cheese.
Okay. And that's
This
the
is
mind cooler. And this is
your
Baby,
thing.
I love you. And check out this. My
Yeah,
name on
names,
that.
yeah.
Show yours. Wraps. Nice, no?
We still haven't got the strips here.
Yeah.
So we'll
They might give.
Try
Before
this.
that, we'll review this. Okay.
yeah. Give it a try, man. The dynamite taco.
And we have.
It has a hard shell, right?
And we have a spicy one here.
Okay, we'll see it later on. It is a hard, crispy shell. Is it a dynamite? What do you think?
This is my first time trying tacos because I don't know the difference. For me, it's nice.
I have tried it a lot of times. and
Then you are the one who can tell it correctly.
not
For me, it's
make
nice.
it properly. Take a drink.
Baby, I love you.
How do you like it?
Even this is nice. Full on cashews, brownie, and some thick shake, chocolate shake. Nice.
So yes, I'm gonna try the chili cheese taco. Let's give it a try.
How is
It's
it?
really good. It is fresh, man. I really love it.
So you are the one you can give correct review for this.
The chicken is too crunchy.
Huh.
I mean, the sauces and all. The sauce which they use has a different taste than other places. I can even get lots of spinach.
So
Spinach or some green stuff. I don't know what that is.
So is this the how tacos will be in
Yeah, this is
all the place?
This is how it's supposed to be. Tastes really good. I love it.
Then try your mint cool or something like that.
Mind cooler.
Sorry, mind cooler.
Tastes exactly like blue lime.
Blue light.
You get in lassi bars and all.
Yeah.
It's good.
Nice,
It's my
huh?
favorite flavor. I
Okay.
can't say anything about it. So we're gonna try
This one spicy thing.
the peri peri chicken strips.
Some mayonnaise.
What do you think? It's warm enough?
Wow, perfect for this weather.
This is, I mean, it's exactly before Christmas Eve when we're recording. You can see the red color.
So spicy.
Okay, the food is also red color.
And by the way, Merry Christmas for everyone.
Merry Christmas for whoever celebrates Christmas. Have a nice time with your family.
Outstanding.
Not really spicy. I mean, the red color powder which they have added is spicy.
If you eat that, you'll know how spicy is that. Spicy, right?
It is spicy and soft on inside, but it's crunchy on the outside. So, it's a perfect combination, you can say.
So we'll finish this on dal and we'll see you in the final review. Okay.
Yeah,
Anything to say?
nothing much.
Okay. Bye bye. Okay, we met one of our friend here. Your name, please?
Nishita.
Nishita. Nice meeting you. She is the one who recommended all the dishes for us. So she's the cashier over here. If you come, please meet her.
Please come meet me.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
So, we finished our food at Taco Street, Tipsandra.
I think our face is not visible. Come this
Yeah,
way.
bro.
This is a shop. Okay.
So, we are right here outside.
In front of Taco Street.
Okay, so, this is your first time. You need to review first.
No, I want to ask you a question before
Okay.
I will tell the review. Is it different from Taco Bell?
The taste is definitely different.
Okay. Which one you prefer, that or this?
I prefer both, but
In cost?
in cost wise, I would prefer Taco Street only because it's really not expensive.
Yes.
So I might be putting the cost anywhere in the screen or under the description, so you guys can check it out. It's not really expensive. It's affordable.
I liked it. Frankly speaking, as a South Indian, it was like upland. I was telling him that only.
This is first time eating tacos.
Yeah,
So
first time that it was a nice experience. So
give a review.
yeah,
on
and
the other-
this one Blue Lime was like minty, normal,
Mind
only,
cooler,
no?
right?
Mind cooler. Yeah,
It was normal, but it didn't have much ice.
ice.
But that's what I would prefer. Like most of the places, they put lots of ice and you can't even drink it.
yeah.
Here it's perfect.
So
And the place is really packed.
Yeah.
I mean, once the table gets cleared, immediately there's another group of customers. So
coming there.
there is a continuous rotation. So the food which they provide, it might be
Fresh on
fresh also because
Yeah.
they keep making more and
Rotation,
more dishes.
yeah.
There is
So that-
a rotation.
You saw that good ambience also.
Yeah, the ambience
it's
is
nice.
really good. You can chill with your friends,
Yeah.
even family friendly place.
So
let's review the place, man.
I liked it. I will rate it around 8 because this is my first time. I think so. There are much more restaurants of our tacos that I have tried.
As I've tasted Mexican food already, I would give it around 8.5.
Wow, nice.
So it's really good. I mean,
And,
the
that
cost
one-
got the rating.
If you guys come here,
Higher.
don't forget to buy that. What is that?
What is that,
juice
man?
I drank. I forgot that name.
Oh yeah, baby, I love you.
Baby, have you drink? Really?
Recommended by our
Yeah,
great
it was
Joe.
nice. It was. So we'll wrap it up.
So let's
It's nice,
wrap it up
no?
for today after eating burrito wraps, man.
Burrito or tacos? It's tacos.
Okay, we can even try burritos the next time we come here.
Next time we'll try that.
So
So let's wrap it up. Until next time, Joe signing
Cheers to
off.
life.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our travel vlogs.